Expert homemaking tips, presenting. Just as fabric softener takes static cling out of your laundry, it can remove static shock from your carpet. Spray your carpet lightly, with a mix of 5 parts water and 1 part liquid softener, and you won't have to worry about shocks when you touch metallic objects. To raise depressions left in carpets by heavy furniture, try steaming them. Hold an iron close enough for steam to reach the carpet, but don't let the iron touch the fibers, especially if they're synthetic, because they could melt. Lift the fibers with the edge of a coin or spoon. Rugs will last longer if you occasionally rotate them to change areas of wear, or if you rearrange furniture to alter traffic patterns. When a carpet thread is loose, snip it level with the pile. If you try to pull out the thread, you risk unraveling part of the carpet. To repair a large burned area in a carpet, cut out the damaged area, and substitute a patch of identical size and shape. Secure a new piece with double-faced carpet tape and latex adhesive. You needn't hide a carpet burn with furniture. If the burn isn't down to the backing, just snip off the charred part with fingernail scissors. However, if a carpet burn does extend to the backing, snip off the charred fibers, and put white glue in the opening. Then, snip fibers from a scrap, or an inconspicuous part of the carpet, perhaps in a closet. When the glue gets tacky, poke the fibers into place. To prevent small area rugs from slipping out from under you, attach strips of double-faced carpet tape under the corners. Has the pile on your shag rug flattened? You can raise it with a lightweight bamboo yard rake. Should your spot remover efforts alter the color of carpet or upholstery, try touching up small places with artist's acrylic paint. If that doesn't work, try a felt marker or a permanent ink marker of the appropriate color, and go slowly. That's all folks, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.